Alright, here goes Gracie. Try to keep the camera lens from being too wet. Maybe she'll give some perspective. Oh, she wants to go see her friend Porter, but Porter is not home. It's Ryan and Brian Glass and Porter there. Gracie, come here. Let's get her out here. She'll play. Silly girl. Gracie! Hi. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Gracie. You can see perhaps how big these snow mounds are, and that's from the last snow. So who knows where we will put this snow when it's time to get it out of the way. Come on, Gracie. Come on. You go, girl. It's kind of nasty. Come on, Gracie. Let's walk around here. I'm going to put this away for a moment.